Hi guys, back with another video. We might be doing some Aussie cat today. Woo! Sweet. Taking them back. Let's do this, boys. Bring the car out. TJ4, brum brum brum. Look, I put monster stickers on it. I put them on myself. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. Leave a like down the bottom description. Oh no, I don't mean description. Leave a like. 10 likes. I'm just new, so I'm not looking for too much. Just a few likes, cause I'm just a YouTuber. And it would be a mic meant to get the GoPro. It's only 8 days until Christmas, guys. Yeah, I know. Really close. Christmas is really close. Christmas, guys. So yeah, and that was it. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's just like it goes back to the back really, I'm not gonna get it. Like a force. Yeah, this is it. I will play more. I just took it out for a minute there. It wasn't that. That's what I was going to do. You see me? I was just showing you a little bit still. I will actually do a proper RC card video. But what I will do, yeah, I will do a proper RC card video. What I'm going to do now is show you what's like inside it. Like this will be. I'll take the battery out. I'll tell you what kind of battery if you want to get this type of car. This is a Nissan RTR Flying Fish. So I'll get the 2 batteries. So guys, here's the 2 batteries compared to each other. And it's a normal motor, like I say. He's gonna put in a 580. It takes 7.2 full battery. This one that came with it, 7.2. 7.2. Can't really see it. This one probably seems a bit better. 7.2 right there. 18 NIV or something, whatever it's like. Yeah, good steering. See the newer motor in it. And then you got your motor for the actual car. You got your nice chassis, good suspension. And look, if you compare this to all of my back suspensions, 10 times size of his. So yeah, guys, that's that video, and I'll see you on next video. Bye. Wait. Can't show. Leave it showing you. It's broke. Look. I will be doing a YouTube video on how to open any iPhone without the code. So yeah guys, that'd be a good idea. Yeah. See you on the next video. Bye.